Hey, this is David Miller with the Miller Group of Keller Williams Realty, and I wanted to interpret the new real estate stats that just came out for Metro Orlando. And I'll be honest with you, they're pretty boring. There's really nothing exciting to share with you. The appreciation rate of the median price is 3% higher than this time last year, so that's good. For single family homes though, it's flat. Now remember, I mentioned the past couple months we're starting to see a softening of the market. And we used to see double-digit appreciation for, the past couple years, but we know that can't last forever. And that slowly went down in November to 9%, and then 6% in December, and then 3% last month. So it is definitely starting to affect the pricing piece of it. The sales are down about 5% versus this time last year. That's not a big deal. Inventory is up 6% versus last year, which isn't too big of a deal. That means the inventory of homes is around 3.4 months of supply. So we're still in a strong seller's market, not as strong as it was this time last year, but still the inventory is relatively low, which means there's more buyers and sellers out there. And the average interest rate is really low. It's still, last month it was 4.32. So let me just share with you what we're seeing out there. And I'll tell you, since the beginning of the year, we've been seeing a lot more buyers out there. And December was actually pretty slow, and we saw that from the sales in January. But since then, we are able to track by how many showings we have on our listings and how many listings are going under contract. And within the past 45 days, it's really picked up quite a bit. I've also been speaking to mortgage brokers, and they're starting to see the same thing in the past 3 weeks. So the demand is still very strong out there. So if you're thinking about putting your house on the market, right now is the best time to do it before everybody else does, because as the inventory goes up, that means there's more competition. So I hope that you guys are real estate smarter, and if we can help you in any way, please let us know. Thanks.